In an electrifying moment that captured the attention of the financial world, Larry Ellison, the co-founder of Oracle, momentarily snatched the title of the richest person on the planet from Elon Musk. But here's where it gets controversial. This stunning change was fleeting, underscoring the volatile nature of wealth tied to stock markets and tech empires. On Wednesday, just minutes after the stock market opened, Oracle's shares surged dramatically, skyrocketing more than 30%. This swift climb was enough to tip the scales, making Ellison wealthier, even if briefly, than Musk, who had long held this coveted position. By the time the day ended, however, Musk had reclaimed his crown as Oracle's stock pulled back a bit, according to Bloomberg's latest estimates. The current margin between them is razor-thin. Musk clocks in at about $384.2 billion, while Ellison follows closely at $383.2 billion. To put these staggering sums into perspective, each billionaire's fortune could comfortably support the annual living expenses of nearly 5 million average American households, roughly the total population of Florida, allowing every family to quit work for an entire year. Alternatively, these fortunes are so colossal they could cover South Africa's total economic output, GDP, for a full year if those funds were imagined as economic activity. This brief switcheroo in the rankings was fueled by Oracle's blockbuster earnings report, which featured enormous new deals totaling over $300 billion. These deals, primarily with high-profile AI and tech companies like OpenAI, Meta, Nvidia, and even Musk's AI company xAI, signal Oracle's deep dive into the booming artificial intelligence sector. Oracle anticipates its cloud infrastructure revenue will jump an incredible 77% this fiscal year to $18 billion, potentially skyrocketing to $144 billion within 4 years. Such growth prospects clearly excited investors, boosting the stock and Ellison's net worth by roughly $100 billion in just over half an hour after the market opened. Ellison, now 81, emphasized during the earnings call that Oracle's profits won't come solely from supporting AI chatbot development, but from a broad range of AI applications, including automating factory robots, accelerating drug discovery, optimizing financial market strategies, and streamlining detailed legal and sales workflows in businesses. His bold declaration, "AI changes everything," encapsulates how he sees Oracle's role in transforming industries through artificial intelligence. Meanwhile, Musk's road to maintaining his billionaire status isn't as smooth. Tesla, the company largely responsible for his ascent to the top 4 years ago, is facing headwinds. Tesla's stock has plummeted 14% so far this year. A stark contrast to Oracle's rising trajectory. Although Musk boasts multiple ventures beyond Tesla, such as SpaceX, his AI startup xAI, and the social media platform X, formerly Twitter, investors remain skittish. Tesla's electric car sales, once the jewel in Musk's crown, have struggled to rebound after a sharp decline earlier this year. Musk has tried to pivot investor enthusiasm toward future prospects, including Tesla's foray into robotics and AI-powered vehicle technologies like robotaxis. Yet, the unsettling trend continues. For instance, Tesla sales in the European Union dropped by 40% earlier this summer, marking the 7th consecutive month of decline. This slump has been partially attributed to Musk's public support of far-right politicians on his X platform, which alienated potential European buyers. Similar issues have surfaced in the US, where some consumers have steered clear of Tesla showrooms due to Musk's controversial political stances, including his embrace of Donald Trump. By the close of trading on Wednesday, Oracle's shares had surged to $328.33, marking a 36% jump, while Tesla went up just under 1% to $347.79, a small consolation for Musk in an otherwise challenging period. This tug-of-war over the title of the world's wealthiest person is more than just a leaderboard update. It reflects the broader drama unfolding in technology, politics, and global markets. Is the future truly AI-driven, as Ellison proclaims, with Oracle leading the charge? Or will Musk's vision of electric vehicles, space exploration, and AI-powered transportation ultimately prevail? And importantly, how much do personalities and public controversies really shape these financial empires? What's your take? Do you think technology titans like Ellison and Musk reflect the next frontier of innovation? Or do their fluctuating fortunes highlight deeper market uncertainties and societal divisions? Share your thoughts below. This debate is only just beginning.